My name is Dr. Rahman and I teach in Islamic College Peshawar. Today we are going to learn about the Golgi bodies, a crash course of the Golgi bodies. What is Golgi bodies? Golgi bodies were discovered by Camillo Golgi in 1898. These are actually the organelles which are concerned with the cell secretions. What are cell secretions? Cell secretions can be anything like cell wall, like hormones, like enzymes. So the cell secretions are actually, they are packed by the Golgi bodies. If we look to the Golgi bodies, it receives the vesicle membrane bounded structure, so that it receives the vesicle from endoplasmic reticulum, and endoplasmic reticulum then transfer it to the Golgi bodies then transfer it to the cytoplasm, and from cytoplasm it becomes the lysosome and go to the cell membrane. So from the nuclear membrane, materials are transferred to the endoplasmic reticulum, then from the endoplasmic reticulum it transferred to the Golgi bodies. There are three parts of Golgi bodies which are involved in that. First one is known as cis Golgi or proximal Golgi. It receives the vesicle. The second one is median Golgi. Median Golgi transform it, modify it, give some molecules, some compounds to it. So it modify the enzymes, it modify the proteins, it forms the polysaccharide, it forms other types of glycolipids and glycoproteins. For example, it combines the polysaccharides and the lipids and form glycolipids, and combines the proteins in the polysaccharide and form glycoproteins. The third part is the trans Golgi. Trans Golgi is the part of the Golgi bodies which pinch off the vesicles. These vesicles are then formed microbodies. These vesicles are formed as lysosome, glyoxysome, peroxysome. If it is formed as lysosome, then it becomes primary, secondary and tertiary. At the end, when it becomes the tertiary lysosome is the residual lysosome. The residual lysosome is that lysosome which is with the leftover food, waste material. So it goes to the plasma membrane, add itself into the plasma membrane and throw off the waste material. The functions of the Golgi bodies are storage of secretory products, modification and packaging. So modification, as I told you, the enzymes and other secretory products, synthesis of polysaccharides. If disaccharides are formed in endoplasmic reticulum, then the polysaccharides are formed inside the Golgi bodies. Formation of glycolipids and glycoprotein, addition to the plasma membrane surface as the tertiary lysosome add into the plasma membrane. Thank you, students. That was a crash course about your Golgi bodies. Thank you.